Okay, setting the TV up before we set off tomorrow. Tuning the aerial. You know what there, Shelbers? Comfortable there, mate? Yeah. Right, come back to that in a minute. Figured it out, Sam?
Yeah, it's all sorted now.
Cool.
I think should be able to change channel. Just turn the volume down. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got good channels and we're only going local, so it should work.
Yeah, it should be alright.
When we go further afield, I think I need to put some spare batteries in the caravan, well, the RV, so we've got some in case they go, because we're going to have to tune it wherever we are.
Oh yeah, spare batteries, yeah.
Yeah. So you never thought of that till just, oh, why have I lost my signal? That's
Yeah, the fridge is on. It's running on the inverter, same as the TV. I feel it's getting cold already. It's only been on a few minutes. But the only thing with this fridge is there's no light. It's a good job we've got lights in the motorhome, isn't it? Have we got any water in the tank, Sam?
Yeah, we filled some watering cans up and we've just put a bit in this weekend. I did it, put it on the windowsill, and Rob filled it up. I think we did about 4 watering cans.
Cool.
Which is enough. Cause
yeah, that'll do.
And I've got
cans.
a tub of water for drinking from out the house, because you've got to have a proper cup of tea.
Well, 2 nights, that's fine.
Yeah. So, right. That's a little toolbox. Put that back in the cupboard just in case. You never know when you need a toolbox. Okie dokie. Found this light. It was John's mum's. It was in her house, and I thought it would be a good idea, if I could actually see, a good idea to use when we're out and about, in case it's dark and we've got to take doggy out for wheeze. So, but I'm not sure if it works. I think it does, but it's
oh.
Yeah. Oh god, yeah. Oh god, yeah, that works.
That works.
God. Oh, I can't turn it off now, yeah. So a nice little torch, and we can hang it up, and I think it's got a magnet as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So
that's useful,
I thought it was really good. Now I've lost the back off it now.
Thank you, Mum.
What?
Thank you, Mum.
Yes, thanks, Mum. So I've lost the back. You got it?
Oh, I think I put it in the kitchen.
Oh, right, okay. Right, I've put some food in. Not a lot.
Just only get 2 nights anyway. So.
Yeah, and we're eating out tomorrow afternoon, so we just need some soup tomorrow night. Making a quiche for Saturday, new potatoes,
lovely,
and salad. And this is all the goodies: chocolate bars and sweets and crisps.
I think they'll
cakes, John's Frosties,
of course,
which have to be hot, of course. But yeah, so that's all the goodies just for the weekend, and clothes are all shoved in there for now, just the one cupboard. So
yeah, that's fine.
Because we're only for 2 days, so yeah, I think we're ready to go now.
Ready, yep, yep.
So very good. This cupboard didn't have a shelf in, and I thought, what a waste, because the top end there was nothing there when the kettle and the cups were there. So
it's in this little mini kitchen, isn't it? And the other
side,
yeah.
So Rob put me a shelf in. It hasn't been painted yet, guys, which it will be, but it's like got dog bowls, dog water, biscuits, and of course her ducky. We call treats ducky, and these are for Shelby. Got some ducky.
Ducky, mate.
Got some ducky. Oh. So, and hopefully it should be okay up there.
Yeah.
So
it shouldn't rattle around up there, should it?
It's just
so
using
got them
the
wire
space.
Things anyway. So
yeah, we put curtain wire in to stop it all moving. So hopefully, and it's quite packed in there. So.
Yep. All good.
All good.
Well, that's it then, isn't it? We are ready for our 2-day night out.
Yes.
2 nights over. What? Yeah.
2
whatever.
nights out.
2 nights out.
3 days. No, 2 days because we're not going till late tomorrow after work.
Tomorrow after work, yeah.
So,
So, the next video, guys, you'll see us
on our travels.
on our travels. Well, only 15 minutes down the road, but still on our travels.
18 to be precise.
18 minutes, sorry. Yeah. So, we'll see you in a day or two.
Yes.